In the heart of West Africa lies Burkina Faso, a nation with rich mineral deposits, including gold, copper, and zinc. However, its landlocked nature and geographical challenges pose unique obstacles to transporting these valuable resources to international markets. Let's delve into the challenges faced by Burkina Faso's vital economic sectors, mining, agriculture, and manufacturing, and explore how EDDY Pump emerges as the preferred solution. EDDY Pump is the preferred choice when meeting Burkina Faso's pumping and dredging needs. EDDY Pump's technology offers tailored solutions for mining and manufacturing, ensuring streamlined material transfer and river infrastructure maintenance. Renting EDDY Pump equipment in Burkina Faso provides industries with much-needed flexibility and cost-effectiveness, particularly in the dynamic mining and manufacturing sectors. Explore the range of EDDY Pump products, from submersible slurry pumps to flooded suction pumps, designed to handle demanding industrial and dredging applications. Now let's uncover the specific challenges faced by Burkina Faso's industries and how EDDY Pump's solutions address these issues. From landlocked geography to limited infrastructure, EDDY Pump provides answers to Burkina Faso's unique challenges. Explore how EDDY Pump's solutions address the distinct needs of Burkina Faso's mining, agriculture, and manufacturing sectors. EDDY Pump's self-priming slurry pumps excel in efficient material transfer, reducing operational costs and enhancing logistics efficiency in Burkina Faso's mineral-rich regions. Prioritizing eco-friendly practices, EDDY Pump aligns with Burkina Faso's environmental regulations, ensuring responsible material transfer in the mining industry. Strategically located in Ouagadougou and Bobo-Dioulasso, EDDY Pump stands ready to meet Burkina Faso's industrial needs. In conclusion, Burkina Faso's mineral and agricultural sectors demand innovative solutions, and EDDY Pump emerges as the preferred partner, offering tailored and sustainable pump and dredge equipment. Its commitment to flexibility and scalability sets EDDY Pump apart. Renting through EDDY Pump allows businesses to adapt quickly to changing project demands without the burden of long-term commitments or hefty upfront costs. Explore our rental services today for reliable and efficient Burkina Faso pump and dredge equipment rental and sales. With EDDY Pump, the future of your industry is in capable hands. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.